So we're going to descale the Baumann Living espresso machine because it has a low pressure when extracting coffee. So first is to turn it on, then wait for the machine to preheat. In this case, it is already preheat because all the lights are steady. Then you need to press the hot water for press and hold 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now it's activated. And you need to max the steamer. Put the max in steamer. So the machine will descale for around 10 to 15 minutes. I'm using a regular water just to improve the flow. As you can see, it has minimal flow on the espresso extraction, and also there are no pressure. So I'm doing this to extract or to clean up the clog. Hopefully after 10 to 15 minutes the machine will improve its flow, because currently na there are only drips when extracting coffee. That's why we are descaling. And also if the coffee tastes acidic, you will need to descale. So you need to press and hold for 5 minutes the hot water, and then put the steamer into max. Okay, just wait for it to finish. And now it's improving the scale. Still little extraction. Okay, so let's wait until 15 minutes or until the tank will be empty. So this is how the scaling works in this Baumann Living espresso machine. You should descale your machine every month to avoid acidic taste on coffee, and also to prevent clog, because our water is hard water. Yep. That's one of the reason why the pipe inside is also maybe clogged. Okay, so that's it.